Tired of messy spreadsheets and complicated reports? Let's ditch the data chaos and quickly export your Clockify time tracking data as a clean, professional PDF. First, make sure you're logged into your Clockify account, then navigate to the Reports section. In the left-hand menu, it's usually the third option down, symbolized by a graph or chart icon. Click it. Now, you'll need to define the data you want to export. Start by setting the date range for the time period you need to report on. You can choose from predefined options like this week or last month, or use the calendar to specify a custom range. Next, use the filters to refine your report further. You can filter by project, user, tag, or client. This ensures your PDF contains exactly the information you need. Play around with the filters to customize the view. Once you're happy with the date range and filters, make sure you generate the report. Look for a button to run report or generate summary. Clicking this will display the data according to your specifications within Clockify. With your report generated, find the download button. This is usually located at the top right-hand corner of the report. Click on this button and select PDF from the drop-down menu of available formats. And that's it. Your PDF report will automatically download. Now you can easily share it with clients, colleagues, or use it for your own records. High five, Data Ninja. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.